Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine insert feature number 12, comment, for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on insert and then click on comment, a comment box appears connected to the most recent location of my cursor in the Google Doc. I can now type in whatever information I would like within my comment box. To post my comment, I need to click on the blue comment button. Now my comment is visible in the Google Doc. If this Google Doc was shared with other individuals, they too would be able to view the comment. There are a few other parts of the comment box I would like to discuss. The first is the resolve button. If I clicked resolve, it would resolve the discussion and hide it from view within the Google Doc. The next item I want to discuss is the one that allows you to access more options within a comment box. When I click on more options, I have the ability to edit a comment, delete it, or create a link to the comment. I can now copy the link since I have chosen this option. When I choose to delete a comment, I will have to first click on delete, and then I have to make certain I want it deleted and click on the delete button one more time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.